Okay, let's make a sketch of the situation to figure out what's going on here. So we're looking for points that have coordinates where x equals y, and all of those points would have to fall along the line y equals x. So we're only looking for points that fall on this line. And there are also 4 units from the point 1, 3. So we have the point 1, 3, and then if we draw the circle with radius 4, we would have something like this. Okay, so it's looking like there will be 2 points that we want to find, points that fall on the line and they fall on the circle. Okay, so let's write the equation of that circle. We know the center of the circle, we know the radius of the circle, so we can substitute those numbers into our center radius form, and we get x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 3 quantity squared equals 4 squared. And we also know that x equals y, so let's substitute x for y or y for x, it doesn't matter which. How about x minus 1 quantity squared plus x minus 3 quantity squared equals 16? And we're going to solve this equation for x. Let's multiply everything out. We get x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 16. So we have 2x squared minus 8x equals 6. Let's divide the equation by 2. X squared minus 4x equals 3, and subtract 3 from both sides. And it would be great if that equation was factorable, but it's not looking like it will be, so we'll use the quadratic formula. So we have x equals the opposite of b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have 2 plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 12 is 28 over 2. So we have 2 plus or minus 2 square root 7 over 2. So we have 2 plus or minus square root 7. Well, those are the x coordinates of the points, and since x equals y, those are also the y coordinates of the points. So the points are 2 plus square root 7, comma 2 plus square root 7, and 2 minus square root 7, comma 2 minus square root 7. And let's just approximate those values and see how they compare to the graph. So 2 plus square root 7 is approximately 4.6. So the point 4.6, 4.6 is this one right up here. And then 2 minus square root 7 is approximately negative 0.6. So negative 0.6, negative 0.6 is this one right down here. So the sketch seems reasonable.